Let's go! Hi pilots, welcome to my YouTube channel Michalis FPV. Welcome to the beautiful beach of Mykalli, here of the Greek island of Samos. Today we have a long range test of this beautiful drone. This one is the iFLIGHT Nazqul Evoque F7 with the DJI OFO Pro Air unit. This one is the waterproof. We're gonna start today from here, from this point. As you see, we have south winds. You can see the waves, they are strong. They are not the best conditions to make this long range, but we will try to make the best. I use the battery LiPo 5600 milliampere 6S, so I think totally gives me around 17 minutes of flight. So let's see how it will be performance with this wind. Probably it will be less. We are ready to start the long range test of the Nazgul Evoque F7 Waterproof. We have 10 satellites and we are ready to go. Let's go. Okay. Today it's really very windy. We have south winds. We are in the south part of the island. You can see also the waves, how wild they are. The sea is really wild. We have a beautiful sunset here in the wonderful beach of Mykalli, in the Greek island of Samos. And let's hope that everything gonna be okay with this long range test. It's not the best conditions to do that, but we have to try. So the throttle is about 36–37%. We have a battery 5600 milliampere. We fly about 96 meters and we are already 800 meters far away. The satellites are about 9 with 11, is not stable. This is one battery that I know very well. This LiPo battery gives about, the LiPo battery 5600 milliampere gives about 17 minutes of fly in good conditions. And I did also with the iFLIGHT LR7, if you remember. I make a long range test with this battery. So I was thinking with these strong winds, it will be better to use this battery. So we have about 35 with 30 megabps. We are 1,850 meters far away. I'm trying to go a little bit more high. If I see that it's dropping a lot the megabps, I will try to return back. We are already 2 kilometers, more from 2 kilometers. I'm going a little bit more high because probably we're gonna have a better video transmission. We have 3.87 volts per cell, 23.2 totally, 36 with 40 megabps, it's changed all the time. I'm trying to turn a little bit also my body for to look the antennas, the drone. I'm trying to see as I turn my body what is the best direction. We are going 2,800 meters, almost 3 kilometers. So 20, 21, why? Let's go a little bit more high. And if we go more high, we have better, I think, video transmission. Already we are 3,300 meters. (28, 29, 27 megabps). We are 3,750 meters. So I think 4,000 meters, it's a very good distance for the first time. Let's go back, guys. Let's turn. 4,180 meters. So we are coming back. It's a little bit the video transmission changes all the time. I'm trying to go a little bit more high. With this wind, I don't want to risk it for more far away. I think 4,000 meters, it was a very good distance for the first time. We have 3.7 volts per cell. We fly 6 minutes and 40 seconds. It's getting dark easy as you see. We are 2,400 meters far away from the Orho point. We have about 20 satellites. It's changing all the time, I don't know why. It's easy, I'm trying to go more lower, in lower altitude. I think it was really fast, this fly. For sure we had the possibility to go more far away, but from the moment that we have these strong weather conditions, these strong winds, I think it's not necessary to risk, because never you know what's gonna happen in the long distance range test. So always you have to be really careful, and especially when there are houses. It doesn't matter if I fly over the sea, but always you have to be careful. If it was more isolated the area, then I will try more, but no, I don't want to risk it. But to get one idea of the range capacity of this drone, it's really amazing. I'm flying a bit lower to see these beautiful waves. Still we have battery. We have a lot of juice, so we could fly even further. But as I told you, first we have to look to be safe. So we arrive. I'll fly a little bit, and I will turn now. Whoop. And you can see also this side. You can see me. Already we had the sunset. Really very, very good performance, this drone. And I'm really satisfied for this distance in these conditions. I think I'm gonna make a little bit more flying. Let's fly over the sea. It's really beautiful. We have very beautiful clouds. After the sunset, very nice colors. And you can see this beautiful sea, wild sea. We have still 3.6 volts, and we have this beautiful view from here. Okay, pilots, I think it's enough. It's time for landing. Almost 11 minutes of fly. This is the most difficult part for me. Always I have this stress if I'm gonna land in good. We are coming closer. You can see me. It's getting dark now. I hope the video quality to be okay with the low light. Okay. Okay, we landed. This is good. Let's talk about this drone. You can see it also with the LEDs. It's so beautiful. Really, it's a very nice drone for long range. 7-inch, the Nazgul Evoque F7 Waterproof. So if it starts to rain, don't worry, you're never gonna have a problem. My conclusions for this drone: really flies amazing, very good this battery. I suggest you to have this LiPo battery, the 5600 milliampere 6S. We had 4,000 kilometers almost, more from 4,000 kilometers, 1,130 if I remember well. The video transmission, it was okay, I can say, it was not bad. And yeah, we could go a little bit more. We could go further. We could go, I think, up to 5 kilometers, but you know, it's so strong the winds right now that I don't want to risk. This is an expensive drone, and the battery, so it's an expensive equipment. And the most important is that when it's houses near, we have to always to be careful to don't get big risks. If it was a very desert place, I will not have a problem to go a little bit 1 kilometer more further. So, my pilots, thank you very much that you're watching one more video from here, from the beautiful Greek island of Samos. If you are new, and of course if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Michalis FPV. And don't forget also to press the little bell notification for all, to don't miss any new video that I will post in the future. I'm gonna make more videos about this drone, and have happy and safe flights. Michalis from the beautiful Greek island of Samos. Salute you and see you in my next video. Bye pilots, bye my friends.